Okay, you can remove all one this ring, rack ring. Then you can put this ring to this part. Okay. One. You can see here. You can put it inside, and just put this. And then okay, and then press it inside. Press it inside here. Inside here. You can see here. Now the black ring is here. And then I press it down. Do you see that? Yeah, it has come inside. Okay, come inside. And then press it down. It will come inside. If you want to remove out this part, then you need to from here, and remove this part from this side out, and then tie this out. For example, this is here, and then you need to tie this out, and then press this part out from here. Or later, you need to use this tool.